All right, so we're going to keep diving into switch statements by talking about where clauses. Now, essentially, a where clause is something that is combined with a value binding to let you keep a kind of local copy of a variable while still evaluating something. Again, examples I think help you learn so much more. So let's just dive into it. We have a variable named doginfo, which is a tuple, a int of 8 for the first value and string for the second value in this tuple called Sean. All right, so we do the switch statement. Now, something you'll notice is here I'm saying case var age name. Now, if you remember in the last lecture, we didn't have the var in there. It was like var age, and we had var name. This is just a shorthand way to do it. If both the value bindings inside your tuple case here are going to be variables, you can just do var on the outside, and that means that you now have access to age and name inside this little chunk of code. And to prove that, I'll take this string that uses both of them, and just so you can see my dog Sean is 8 years old, you can see it pulled the 8 and the Sean from this tuple up here. So let's get into the where statement though. What the where statement allows you to do is say, okay, I want to create these value bindings, age and name, but it's not, because I'm using these, any value is accepted, but I'm saying I specifically still want to have a specific case. So you do the value bindings, then you say where, and then you can specify whatever kind of if conditional you want. This is age is greater than 5. You can see below here we have name equal to Fido. So for example, if we make this less than 5, so you can see now this case is not valid because the age is less than 5. This case is not valid because the dog name is Sean, not Fido, and you can see that it just falls into this our kind of made up default, right? Because this catches all cases. But as soon as we change this to Fido, you can see that this second case becomes true. So where clauses essentially allow you to do a value binding so you have access to the two variables, but still allows you to have some sort of conditional so that you can decide whether or not you want a certain block of code to run or not.